Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, in my room, I've never seen that background, but there it is. Don't mind that. Tapestry literally fell, and I don't feel like hanging it back up right now. But anyway, I have a Jeffree Star mystery box haul. I'm so excited for it. So let's get started. Okay, so first off, I'm going to start off with I got the mirror, one of his mirrors, and first off, it comes with like this and just my older phone. I'm not gonna show you that, but I got the popsicle mirror. Like, I'm so excited. There's me. Okay. But I'm so excited about this. It's just like so pretty and like look at it. Like, I'm in love with it. I'm so obsessed with it. But yeah. So I'm pretty excited about this. So this is the first thing I got. Next up, the mystery box. Yeah, so obviously I opened it already. Sorry. I opened it when I first received it because why wouldn't I? You know? But hold on. So I got the Sony Mystery Box Premium and the Tropical Pop Hand Mail, that's what it's called. So let's dive into the mystery box. So first, I got Velvet Trap and Watermelon Soda. I think this is it. Yeah, this is it. I took everything out of the box already, sorry. But it comes in this cute, like, thing, and this is the color. I'm literally so obsessed with that. Like, it's so beautiful. I swatched it on my hand the other day, and it was just amazing. I can't wait to wear it on my lips. Like, just, I'm so excited. Next, I lost all the boxes, is the gloss in Silk Rope. So it's this. First off, the packaging even. Come on. I didn't even hit record. Oh yeah, I did. But this is Silk Rope. And I love the like compartments or whatever you call it. Now this is a color I would never really see myself to wear, but I'm actually so excited for it. Because it could like you could put it and then put glitter over top and it's just such a look. So yes, this was Silk Rope. Next, this is oh I'm so excited for this one. This is another of the gloss in Lord Star. I literally just submitted another Jeffree Star order last night, and I was literally gonna buy this. And I looked in my box and I already got it. So also, be ready for that video because that's coming. But anyway, look at that. Like, come on, like, just gorgeous. Like, in the packaging, 10 out of 10. Like, I can't even explain it. But, just look at that. Beauty. And it even smells good. Like, yeah, I'm so excited. This is definitely out of my comfort zone, but I'm still so excited. I'm so excited. Also, this is what the box looks like too. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I think 10 things. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. But anyway, next up is the Velour Lip Scrub in Rainbow Sherbet. Like, look at that. First off, Rainbow Sherbet is just bomb. Looks like this, it's green, and it literally smells, no joke, like Rainbow Sherbet. Like, who wouldn't want that on their lips? Just saying. But yeah, so I'm really pumped about this. Next on the lip scrub, I got the Velour lip scrub in pink lemonade. And oh, it's pink. So yeah. Okay, so the last lip product I received is Cowboy Kiss. Let's just see. Again, I love the packaging of this. Like, come on. He never disappoints with packaging. So it's just like really brown, deep brown. It's a lip balm, so that's why I'm not so like concerned. Like, oh, it's brown, because it's a lip balm, so it's not gonna be like something you're wearing with your makeup look. Like, you know what I mean? So that's why I'm pretty excited about it. Okay, now time for eyes. So first, I got Jeffree Star Cosmetics. The like Z palette is what I'm calling it, where like you put the little eyeshadows in here, so you like can make your own eyeshadow palette practically. So I got this, and then I got 3 eyeshadows. So the first one is Orange Juice. It's like such a perfect name, just like, and it looks like this. Literally orange. I'm excited to make a look with that. The next one is Priceless. Let's see. I like this because it's just like a perfect like transition shade and just simple for like a peer or brow bone. Just a simple shade. Now it's Priceless. And the next one is Power. This one would have to get used to because this isn't really like a me shade, but just like a dark blue. So, pretty excited about those and for the Z palette thing because I never had them before. I'm excited to make my own palette. The last product is eyes, and I'm so excited for this. This was a limited edition just for the mystery box item, so I'm pretty excited. This is the palette Star Ranch. So excited. One, because it's limited edition, so that like excites me when something's limited edition like that, because not everyone's gonna have it. So I'm excited. First off, this packaging though. Like, look at that. Eyeshadow palette. And this is what it looks like. So again, not like typical me shadows, but I'm excited to try these out. So Yak Farm is like a brown. So there's browns, blues, and a green. And they're all, most of them are glitter, which is my favorite. Like, all I wear is glitter eyeshadow, truly. So I'm so excited. Like, these 2 blues, well, actually all 3 of these blues are just flawless. And like this, like, I'm just so excited for this. And limited edition, come on. That's even better. But that was my Jeffree Star mystery box haul. I'm super excited. I just put another order in for Jeffree. 2 orders actually. So I'll be receiving a lot of his makeup coming up. So I'll haul all that, and then I have all that to haul behind me, and a whole floor full of stuff to haul. So get ready for a lot of haul videos this week. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe for more.